Hi guys, this is dietitian Sheena and you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all 600 calorie diet plan to help you lose 6 kgs in 6 days very easily. Now you can follow this diet plan on alternate days of the week, or you can even follow it once a week to see amazing results happening. Now recently my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see a huge transformation happening for themselves. Calorie deficit plans definitely work amazing for you. And here are a few of my client transformations for you. For personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. So without any delay, let's get started with 600 calorie diet plan to help you lose 6 kgs in 6 days super easily. Now starting with our early morning drink. As usual, for early morning drink, it has to be warm water. Now what you infuse into it is what really matters. Now I always suggest my clients to infuse methi seeds or coriander seeds to their infused water in the morning itself. Both these seeds amazingly work for PCOD, PCOS and thyroid and definitely have seen tremendous results in reducing water retention and bloating as well. All you have to do is simply add 1 teaspoon of methi seeds or 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds in 1 glass of boiling water, let it simmer for at least 2 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always switch to lemon water. All you have to do is simply add 1 whole lemon squeezed to 1 glass of lukewarm water, have it sip by sip empty stomach. This also helps to boost your vitamin C, detoxifies you in the morning itself and also is great for people suffering from constipation as well. Starting with our breakfast options for 600 calorie diet plan. Now when it comes to breakfast, always choose fruits for your breakfast. The reason being, it helps to lower your blood sugar levels in the body and also helps to balance your pH levels. Fruits in the morning itself helps you to stay hydrated and also to keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well. Now my favorites are always smoothies because they're easy to carry, very easy to prepare and super simple to follow the recipe of and super yummy as well. Here are all my smoothie recipes which are under 200 calories which you can adapt for your breakfast options when it comes to a lower calorie diet plan. Now if you cannot have smoothies or fruits for your breakfast itself, you can always switch to sprouts. Sprouts are yet again super high fiber and also high protein rich options when it comes to your breakfast and very low in calories as well. All you have to do is simply sprout either black chana or green moong dal. If you have IBS or gut issues, then you can always boil it up and incorporate lots and lots of veggies to it like cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce and enjoy a good full bowl of it which gives you good fiber also and is a great source of protein as well. Third option is for all of those who can consume eggs for their breakfast. You should always have eggs if you can have it. You should always incorporate 2 egg whites for your breakfast. It can be simply a 2 egg whites omelette or you can even have just simply 2 boiled eggs. They help you to keep you fuller for the longer time of the day as well, and high protein substitutes for breakfast are always great for fat loss. So always switch to eggs if you want a fuller breakfast. Proceeding towards our mid-morning snack options when it comes to a fat loss journey. So for this, I'll be giving you 2 options. The first option has to be my personal favorite of all, 1 cup of matcha tea. Now I've seen great fat loss benefits with this tea and all my clients have also seen amazing transformations happening. Now this basically is 10x of 1 cup of green tea. So the antioxidant level is super high and also great for fat loss. To buy the best organic detox matcha tea, the link is given in the description box below. You can go and buy it online very easily. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always switch to 1 cup of ajwain water or jeera water. Now always remember that the goal for this diet plan is to lose 6 kg in 6 days. So we have to be a little quick at this. Ajwain jeera water helps to remove all the water retention super easily and helps in weight reduction as well. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options when it comes to our 600 calorie diet plan. For that, I'll be keeping it very simple and as usual before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is simply add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, mix it in 1 glass of lukewarm water and have it sip by sip 1 hour before your lunch. Now this basically helps to remove all the water stored in the body and also helps with maintaining the blood sugar levels in the body, which is very important if you're insulin sensitive or if you're insulin resistant. So you can always try apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water before lunch. Now let's proceed towards our lunch options when it comes to our 600 calorie diet plan. Keeping it super easy and super simple, the first option has to be my personal favorite and I think almost everybody's favorite, paneer. paneer bhurji you can have. Along with that, you can have lots of salad. Now paneer bhurji is yet again super heavy, and at the same time great protein content is present into it. Paneer bhurji, the recipe is complete here. You can check it out and follow it as per given the instructions, and it's very easy to prepare as well. Keeps you fuller also, and is a great source of fiber, calcium and protein. Along with that, you can have lots of salad. You can even have lettuce or cabbage leaves as their wraps, so that you don't feel the need of having roti or rice with this recipe. Along with that, always make sure to have a good full bowl of curd to give you good probiotics as well. Now, second option for all my roti lovers out there is you can always have one oats roti, which is approximately 70 calories. And along with that, you can have any green sabzi. Now, I always prefer to have low calorie cauliflower, so that it's low in carbs also and gives me good feeling of satietedness also. Along with that, always make sure to have a good full bowl of salad and curd. Now, this whole meal should approximately be 200 calories yet again, and very easy to prepare and simple to carry as for lunch as well. Now let's proceed towards our mid-evening snack option when it comes to our 600 calorie diet plan. Now I am talking about mid-evening snacks, so you should always be prepared to have another detox water. Now I am talking about my special fat cutter drink. Now here is the complete recipe of it, and super easy to prepare and follow as well. Now this recipe has turned out to be amazing for all my clients for weight loss, and they were able to see a great number lower on the scale next day. So you can always follow this recipe out there. It's amazing to reduce your fat in the belly area and also to melt it very quickly. Second option for mid-evening snack, if you cannot have this, you can always switch to having is 1 cup of black tea or black coffee, no sugar or no milk to be added in it of any kind. You can always have black tea or black coffee when it comes to your mid-evening snack. Always try to add 1 squeezed lemon to it, so that the boost of antioxidant levels helps you for greater fat loss. Now let's proceed towards our dinner options when it comes to our 600 calorie diet plan. For dinner, I'll be giving you super simple options. The first option has to be my personal favorite, soup. Now I have seen lots of my clients reduce weight when they consume soup at night. Now there are 3 recipes that I personally suggest for dinner options when it comes to weight loss journey. The 3 options have to be lemon coriander soup, tomato zucchini soup or tomato soup. Now the recipes are super easy to prepare and very healthy in any season out there. So you can always follow and have approximately 200 ml of this soup and enjoy your tasty delicious dinner options. Second option has to be my personal favorite. When you don't want to have anything out there super heavy, then fruits are the only option, which comes as a nature's candy and also is super easy to have. Best ones are to have papaya or pineapple for dinner. They are super easy to consume and also are great for fat loss benefits, belly fat loss, and at the same time to reduce the overall fat percentage of your body, because pineapple is also known as the natural fat cutter for any body type. So you can always have this for your dinner. And now finally we are getting towards our bedtime drink. Now bedtime drink is yet again super very important when it comes to your weight loss journey. My personal and my all clients favorite is chamomile tea, because it helps you to relieve all the stress of the entire day and give you good weight loss benefits as well. My clients have seen greater metabolism boosting properties with this tea, and also is very easy to prepare as well. I am talking about chamomile tea. Now this is very easily available in the local markets these days, or you can also buy it online very easily. Second option, if you cannot have this, then you can always switch to warm jeera water. Now warm jeera water also helps to reduce the water retention and boost your metabolism, and postpartum weight loss is very easily shared out with this drink. So you can always have warm jeera water. With this diet plan, you'll be able to see great weight loss happening, as all my clients recently did. So for personalized or customized diet plans for weight loss, you can always mail me at eatmoreloosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and we can start your weight loss transformation with me and begin the journey. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the diet plans or meal recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Let me know in the comment section below how you felt about this diet plan, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Eat More Lose More and hit the bell icon to be notified for all the upcoming weight loss tips and tricks, how my clients reduce weight every single day, and lots of healthy recipes. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.